Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. People are so worried about what they eat between Christmas and New Year, but they really should be worried about what they eat between New Year and Christmas. So this New Year, stop counting the calories and celebrate it with a brownie pizza. So first let's make the brownie cake. So into some dark chocolate, add in oil and some butter. It should be in a heat-proof bowl and melt it using a double boiling method. Once it is completely melted, keep it aside and allow it to cool down. Now in another bowl, crack 2 eggs, add some powdered sugar and mix it. Once the sugar is completely dissolved, add the melted chocolate mix. Combine it well. Now let's add the dry ingredients. Add all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, sift that into the chocolate. Mix and combine it well. Now our thick brownie batter is ready. Let's transfer this into a cake tin. Normally for the brownies, we use a square or a rectangle tin so that it will be easy to cut out the brownie pieces. But for this brownie pizza, we are using a round cake tin. Now spread the batter really well. Now bake this in a 150-degree preheated oven for 20 minutes. After baking, allow it to cool down completely, then take it out from the cake tin. Now I'm just marking on top of the brownie so that it'll be easy for me to give the toppings. Once you're done with the markings, let's give the toppings. So first I'm giving a milk chocolate ganache. Then some white chocolate ganache. Then some peanut butter. Some dark chocolate ganache. Again, some peanut butter and white chocolate ganache. I'm also adding some more toppings with cookies and chocolates. So you can choose your favorite toppings like fruits, sprinkles, chocolate sauce. You can get more creative and make it more beautiful. Here you go, our amazing brownie pizza is ready. I just love all the toppings and the ganache is just superb with the brownie. So hope you enjoy the recipe. Definitely try it out and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.